Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Good news. The odds haven't changed. Everything is still intact. But before placing the bet, we must check the other bookmaker as well. TIP. Always confirm the odds and arbitrage percentage on both bookies before placing your bets. If you skip this step, you could end up with a bad bet. Step 3. Checking the odds on BC Game now. Let's head over to BC Game and confirm the odds. I already have over 50,000 Naira in my BC Game account, so we're good to go. Watch as I search for the same NBA game. BC Game takes forever to load. Even with Wi-Fi, it's still slow. Anyone else had this issue before? Finally, here's the game. And guess what? The odds haven't changed. That's exactly what we wanted. Now we can move forward with our bet. Step 4. Calculating the stakes. Now let's use the arbitrage calculator to determine how much we should stake. Since I only have 21,000 Naira in Sportybet, let's input that and let the calculator do its magic. Beep. It's showing we need a total stake of about 45,000 naira. That means we'll be staking 21,000 naira on Sportybet and around 24,500 naira on BC Game to ensure a guaranteed profit no matter which team wins. Originally, I wanted to use 100,000 naira capital, but I don't want to risk the odds changing while depositing. So we'll just go with 45,500 naira instead. Remember, the goal here is simple. Profit is profit. Even if we couldn't stake the full 100,000 naira, we're still making risk-free money. Now that everything is set up, it's time to place our bets and lock in our profits. Step 1. Placing the first bet on Sportybet. All right, let's start with Sportybet. Placing the bet now. Done. If the Sportybet side of the bet wins, we'll be making a total of 47,250 naira in returns. Not bad at all. Step 2. Placing the second bet on BC Game. Now, let's head over to BC Game and place the second bet. Oh no, BC Game is slow again. This is taking forever to load. Waiting. Finally, we're in. The odds are still intact. Great news. Placing the bet now, and done. Congratulations, our sure bet has been successfully placed. We're now in a win-win situation. No matter which team wins, we are making a guaranteed profit. Here's our pending bet on BC Game, just waiting for the match to begin. And here's our pending bet on Sportybet, also locked in and ready. Final step, waiting for the match to settle now. All we have to do is sit back, relax, and let the match play out. Once the game is over, we'll come back together to check the results and count our profits. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more Surebets strategies. The match is over. Let's check our profits. It's 8 a.m. the next day. You know what that means. The match is over, and as always, one of our bets has won. Since we used arbitrage, we made a profit no matter what. Zero risk, pure money. All right, let's start by checking BC Game to see if our bet won there. Fingers crossed. Loading. Loading. Oof. Bad news. We lost on BC Game. But hold on. That's exactly what we expected. Remember, in arbitrage betting, one side always wins and the other always loses. The only thing that matters is the total profit, not which bet won. Now let's head over to Surebets to confirm our win. Boom! We won on Surebets. No surprises here. It's just how arbitrage works. One must win and one must lose. But in the end, we make money anyway. All right, let's break it down. We staked 24,500 naira on BC Game, 21,000 naira on Surebets total capital, 45,500 naira. Now let's deduct our capital from our total winnings. Total profit, 1,750 naira. Risk-free money. Now imagine if we had used 100,000 naira for that bet instead. And imagine playing 5 similar bets in one day. That's some serious cash. This is why arbitrage betting is so powerful. It's not gambling. It's a mathematical way to win money consistently. I know some of you might be thinking, does this really work long term? Well, I've been doing this for a long time, and my betting history speaks for itself. Let me show you a few of my previous bets from some of my bookmakers. Watch closely. Final words. Start earning today. Want to start making risk-free money with sports arbitrage betting? Join my exclusive Telegram group today. I share daily Surebets, tips, and guidance so you don't have to do all the hard work yourself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more powerful betting insights. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Click the link in the description and start earning today.